Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Friends, good morning. Now I am going to discuss May 10th, 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. Name the mobile app which was launched by Uttar Pradesh government for migrant workers. That is Pravasi Rahat Mitra. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, launched the Pravasi Rahat Mitra mobile application. This was developed by State Revenue Department in collaboration with the United Nations Development Programme to provide and to support for the migrant workers of UP in other states to access the advantages of the government schemes. If you talk about Uttar Pradesh, CM is Yogi Adityanath, Governor is Anandibin Patel, capital is Lucknow. Next one, World Hand Hygiene Day was observed annually on May 5th. What is the theme for the day for the year 2020? The theme is Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. World Hand Hygiene Day is observed every year on May 5th globally. The day is organized by World Health Organization. The main aim of the day is to make people across the globe more aware of the importance of hand hygiene in healthcare facilities, thus protecting healthcare workers and patients from infections. If you talk about World Health Organization, that is WHO, headquarters located in Geneva, Switzerland, Director General is Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Next one, which among the following day was observed on May 8th every year globally since 1994? That is World Thalassemia Day. World Thalassemia Day is observed every year on May 8th globally to create awareness about the disease and also to help the thalassemia patients to lead a normal life despite the burden of the disease. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, World Thalassemia Day 2020 will be celebrated through different online activities. The theme of the year is Dawning of a New Era for Thalassemia, time for a global effort to make novel therapies accessible and affordable to patients. Okay, next one. When was the World Red Cross Day observed annually? It is observed annually on May 8th. May 8th is celebrated as the World Red Cross Day, and this day is to celebrate and acknowledge the volunteers who help the people in need and also to commemorate the birth anniversary of Henry Dunant, the founder of International Committee of the Red Cross. If you talk about International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, President is Peter Manurer, Vice President is Gilles Carbonnier, founder is Henry Dunant. Headquarters located in Geneva, Switzerland, and it was established in 1863. Next one, researchers of which institute has invented economical and energy efficient water scale photo detector recently? That is Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research Center. This is a multidisciplinary research institute. President is G.U. Kulkarni and Dean is Chandrabhyas Narayana, located in Jakur of Karnataka. Okay, next one. Name the country which launched the Long March 5B rocket to space, which has the aim to operate a permanent space station and send astronauts to the moon. That is China. China has successfully launched a powerful white large cargo rocket, Large March 5B, and prototype spacecraft towards the space from the Beijing space station of Chinese island province of Hainan at 6 pm. It was Chinese ambition major test to operate a permanent space station and send astronauts into the moon. If you talk about China, capital is Beijing, currency is renminbi, president is Xi Jinping. Next one, what is the percentage stake of Reliance Jio platforms was brought by Vista Equity Partners for rupees 11,366 crore? that is 2.32%. Founder of Vista Equity Partners and chairman is Robert F. Smith. If you talk about Reliance corporate office located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, chairman and MD is Mukesh D. Ambani. Okay, next one. Name the person who has been appointed as the Chief Risk Officer of Yes Bank for 3 years in May 2020. He is Neeraj Dhawan. The Yes Bank appointed Neeraj Dhawan as the Chief Risk Officer for the period of 3 years with immediate effect, replacing Ashish Agarwal, the current Chief Risk Officer. If you talk about Yes Bank, MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar. COO is Anita Pai, headquarters located in Mumbai, and it is founded on 2004. Next question. Which board under MSME Ministry has signed MOU with IIT Madras for set up a center of excellence to boost the use of their products, that is COIR board. These micro, small and medium enterprises announced the signing of Memorandum of Understanding between the COIR board and the IIT of Madras for set up the Center of Excellence to boost up use of COIR applications. Headquarters of this micro, small and medium enterprises located in New Delhi. Union Minister is Nitin Jairam Gadkari and his constituency is Nagpur of Maharashtra. Ministry of State is Pratap Chandra Sarangi from constituency of Balasore of Odisha. Next one, Modi has revised India's GDP growth rate for financial year 21 to 0%. What is India's GDP growth rate for financial year 22 as per Modi? That is 6.6%. Modi slashed down India's GDP growth to 0 for the current fiscal year 2021 from its earlier forecast of 2.6%. If we talk about Modi's headquarters located in New York of United States, President and CEO is Raymond W. McDaniel. Okay, next one. The NABARD has disbursed for rupees 12,767 crore to state cooperative banks and regional rural banks to extend credit to farmers. Who is the present chairman of NABARD? He is Harish Kumar Bandwala. Headquarters of NABARD located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Chairman is Harish Kumar Bandwala. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD, disburses rupees 12,767 crore to state cooperative banks and regional rural banks, that is RRBs, across the country to increase their resources for extending credit to farmers during the lockdown due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. Next one. The Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, that is AIIB, has approved a loan worth of rupees $500 million for India COVID-19 emergency response and health systems preparedness project. Where is headquarters of AIIB located? It is located in Beijing. This AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, it is a multi-development bank, has approved a loan of $500 million for India, that is COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness project to assist national efforts to stop and to detect the respond to the risk posed by coronavirus, that is COVID-19. This headquarters located in Beijing, China. Members are 1 or 2 members approved. President is Jin Lincoln. Next one. Assam has presented 1,03,762 crore state budget for financial year 2021 recently. Who is Chief Minister of Assam? He is Sarbananda Sonowal. If you talk about Assam, capital is Dispur. State animal is one-horned rhinoceros. State bird is white-winged duck. Next one. Which Indian state has passed an ordinance to suspend most of labor laws for 3 years? That is Uttar Pradesh government. Uttar Pradesh government has passed an ordinance, that is UP temporary exemption for certain labor law ordinance 2020 to suspend most of the labor laws for 3 years, where all factories and manufacturing establishments will be exempt from existing labor laws except few. If you talk about UPCM, he is Yoga Adityanand. Governor is Anand Bin Patel. Next one, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh approves abolition of 9,304 posts in military engineering services recently. Who is Ministry of Defense? He is Ministry of State in Defense. They asked Ministry of State in Defense. He is Shripad Yesho Nayak. Union Minister is Rajnath Singh. Next one, Cooperative Bank comes under Secularization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interests, that is SARFAESI Act, recently as per Supreme Court order. When was the SARFAESI Act enacted? It was enacted in 2002. If you are preparing for the bank exams, this SARFAESI Act is very important. Please remember this year, that is 2002. Next one, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated 80 kilometers strategically crucial road link connecting Lupekla Pass with Dorchila. Lupekla Pass is route between the India and China, that is Tibet. Is in which state? That is present in Uttarakhand. If you talk about Ministry of Defense, headquarters located in New Delhi. Ministry of State is Shri Pad Yeso Nayak. Union Minister is Rajnath Singh. Okay, next one. What is the worth of road construction target of India for next 2 years as per Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari? That is 15 lakh crore rupees. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways of MSMEs, that is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Shri Nitin Gadkari held meeting via video conference for the members of Society of Indian Automobile Manufacture Institute on impact of COVID-19. He has target of constructing roads with rupees worth of 15 lakh crore in the next 2 years. Okay, if you talk about this MSME, Minister of State is Pratap Chandra Sarangi. If you talk about the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, President is Rajan Vadera, headquarters located in New Delhi. What is the decline in car sales in India as per International Energy Agency's IEA reported title Global Energy Review 2020, that is 50%. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.